Hey everybody, Joshua here with this week's Techie Tip. I want to speak to you for a minute about some common concerns we have this time of year. Many people call us and they have a feeling that the machine is shocking them. Sometimes it may shut down while they're using the machine. So understandably, this is a cause for concern. Now this may sound familiar to you. You go to touch the heart rate sensors to get your heart rate, or you go to adjust the speed or incline on the console and the unit may shut off or freeze up or something silly may happen here, and so this is a cause for concern. You may feel like there's an electrical short. So we're here to talk about that today and talk about some of the causes for that. Now we're going to talk a little bit about static. Now static builds up every time you're walking on the machine. There's quite a bit of friction as you're walking on the belt, pushing the belt between the deck surface below. Now in the winter we have a drier climate. Many times this is exacerbated by running the heat in our home, and so we have drier conditions, more dry than normal, and so we have a static buildup, and so when we go to touch the unit there's a discharge there, and that could be what the problem is. To let you know, the consoles here on many of these models of fitness equipment run on roughly no more the power of a 9-volt battery. Now static discharge can be many thousands of volts, so understandably that could cause some issues. So we want to try to remedy that situation before having a technician come out to your home. So what can you do? Well, the first thing you could do is maybe run a humidifier within the room. This will increase the humidity within the atmosphere in the room and possibly eliminate those static discharges. Also, an ionizer for the air will help that situation as well. Another thing you could do is check the grounding pin on your power cord to see that that is still intact. And so that is a natural flow for any static buildup within the machine. So these are a few things that you can check, and if you still feel like you're having an issue, well then give us a call and we can see if we can get a technician out to further troubleshoot the problem that you're having.